Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you got the haze or highest, I don't know how to read that, luggage, and you're looking for a way how to actually reset it if you forgot the password, the best thing you can do, in my opinion, to like actually reset it is that you just want to test all the combinations. So you're gonna have a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, and you want to go combination by combination, every single one of it. It's going to take you up to like 15 minutes. And I'm telling you right now, this is the best method. So you don't have to spend next 20 minutes looking for videos, guides. In those 20 minutes, you just want to take and test all the possible combination. It doesn't mean like if you're gonna do one every second. And I'm telling you right now, it can be like around like your password can be like 258, for example, then you're gonna get it in 3 minutes. So let's say 1 second is going to take you 1, that's it 90 seconds. It's going to take like 60 minutes if you're gonna do 1 in a second. So go and do it, and you're gonna solve this issue in 15 minutes and you're good.